Hey everybody, welcome back. Wanted to make a quick video today. Had to comment on one of my recent videos, the CZ Hammer Classic. I've already deleted the comment because why have it there? But it was criticizing my public speaking ability, which I do kind of understand. When I'm making videos, it's a lot different than talking in front of a group of people. I'm talking to no one right now. Yet I know I'm also talking to everyone who visits this video. Um, as a result, when I make videos, they're almost always unscripted. This one is unscripted. When I go to make a video, what I do is I usually have pre planned a general idea of what I want to talk about or what I want to do in that video. I haven't written a script. It's rare that I even write bullet points. I just know what I want to talk about and I turn on the camera and roll with it. I also try not to do a lot of editing because I don't enjoy editing. It's not the reason I make the videos. I make the videos for you, for the new teachers, and for myself. This is just something to keep my time occupied when I have downtime. It's also just a way to share what I know with other people in the hopes that it'll help them out. So my videos are raw, mostly unedited, and that's just how it rolls. Public speaking, what was particularly criticized was my vocal pauses and filler words, which I understand. Like I said, it happens a lot on some of these videos. It's just how I talk. Uh, Even that, when I use or that being said, or many of my other little catchphrases, that's a normal thing in public speaking. It's something everyone works on. When I'm talking to two or three students, helping them learn something, I'm having a conversation with them. I'm not sitting in front of them lecturing like an idiot. That's why my ability for like general lecturing is really not that great, and I understand that. A good teacher does not stand in front of a classroom and lecture their students the entire class period. That's not how teaching works. A good teacher is right there in the thick of it with their students, learning with them. And that's tough for someone who's not a teacher to understand. So that's why I wanted to make this video. I'm not going to say the name of the person who made the comment. I'm not going to do that. It's just not how I roll. But I will tell this person, until you have made a channel, created videos, spoken publicly to no one. I'm staring at a little green light right now. You have no idea what you're talking about. And you can take that and the horse you rode in on. So that's where it goes. I'll continue making videos. I really don't care, but I thought this was just a little something to do. Make a little caveat in the sort of Paul Harrell fashion. It's just how I am. I'm not going to edit out every and but and all these other things because it would take forever. Other channels have people to do it. I'm a one man show. So if I look like I'm not as good a public speaker, so be it. But I know what I'm doing. Unfortunately, trolls are going to troll. This is also useful for all of you out there that are teaching. It's good to practice your public speaking skills. It's good to be conscious of your public speaking skills. That doesn't mean you're going to change overnight. It doesn't mean you're going to improve overnight. But being aware of your vocal pauses, vocal fillers, which are words like but, and, being aware of those is a big deal. Once you're aware of them, the rest comes easy. And then you have to relearn it all again when you start talking to a camera for an unknown audience that you can't see or interact with. So, thus is the nature of YouTube versus actually being in a classroom teaching. And that's my little soapbox rant for today. Uh, it is what it is, and that's all there is. Thanks for tuning in.